Good morning this Tuesday, the 16th of November. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst at Bell Direct. It's great to have your company. Well, the Aussie share market managed to close 0.4% higher yesterday, its second straight day of gains, with the market now up a modest 2% for the month of November. Most sectors closed higher except for the energy, materials and utility sectors. And looking to the top and bottom performers, Mesoblast MSB blasted its way to the top of the leaderboard, closing nearly 12% higher after the release of an update on a phase 3 trial for the therapy's use in treating chronic heart failure. Other healthcare stocks that performed well yesterday included ResMed, RMD, Pro Medicus, PME, and Fisher & Paykel Healthcare, FPH, while Whitehaven Coal, WHC, was one of the worst performers, losing ground following an international agreement to reduce coal use. Moving to the US, stocks closed flat to start the new trading week, ahead of quarterly results from big US retailers, including Walmart, Home Depot, and Target. The results will give a further idea about the US economic recovery and inflation pressures. The 10-year Treasury yield crossed over 1.6% and the 30-year rose above 2%, which in turn saw tech stocks come under pressure, as tech stocks tend to fall when yields rise. Looking to the day ahead, after a flat session on Wall Street, the futures are suggesting the Aussie share market will open 0.39% lower this morning. In terms of economic data, the RBA meeting minutes will be released at 11:30am Australian Eastern Daylight Time, which will essentially go into more detail to explain the monetary policy decision made earlier this month. For example, its decision to discontinue its 0.1% yield target for the April 2024 government bond. Also today at 1:30pm, we will hear from RBA Governor Philip Lowe on recent trends in inflation. Property giant Mirvac Group, MGR, lithium producer Pilbara Minerals, PLS, and Lifestyle Communities, LIC, are holding their AGMs today, while AusNet Services, AST, is set to go ex-dividend today. And looking at the most traded stocks yesterday by Bell Direct clients, these included Western Areas, WSA, Fortescue Metals, FMG, and Imugene, IMU. Moving to commodities, oil prices came under pressure amid fears of a supply boost and weakening demand. The gold price pulled back after its 7-day rally as US bond yields lifted, currently trading at US $1,862 an ounce, while the seaborne iron ore price trades 1% lower at US $92.36 a tonne. Now, to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter has upgraded its rating on chemical manufacturing company DGL Group, DGL is its ticker code, from a hold to a buy, with a price target of $3.05. Last week, DGL acquired its second acquisition in the last 2 months, this time Queensland-based automotive consumables formulator Oztech for $26 million. In Bell Potter's view, DGL is unrivaled by any competitor in the breadth of its operations that span the full back-end chemical life cycle. And following a recent pullback in DGL's share price, Bell Potter see that there may now be an opportunity to buy for the long-term growth. DGL's share price is up 143% since it listed on the ASX earlier this year, and at its current share price of $2.62 implies 16.4% share price growth in a year. Morgan Stanley and Bell Potter also reiterated their bullish ratings on Life360. Morgan Stanley has an overweight rating and price target of $14.20, while Bell Potter has a buy rating with an increased price target to $14.75. So keep an eye on 360 today. To end, bullish trading signals have been identified in Boss Energy, BOE, Palladian Energy, PDN, and Karoon Energy, KAR. And that's according to Trading Central. And that's it for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Stay safe, have a great day, and happy trading.